Dental crown prices in Europe vs. Turkey, which is the better option? When it comes to dental treatments, one of the most common procedures people undergo is getting a dental crown. Whether it's to protect a weak tooth, restore a broken tooth, or simply improve the appearance of a tooth, dental crowns play a vital role in maintaining good oral health. However, the cost of dental crowns can vary significantly depending on the country you are in. In this article, we will compare the prices of dental crowns in Europe and Turkey to help you make an informed decision about where to get your next dental crown. Europe, the cost of dental crowns. In Europe, the cost of dental crowns can vary depending on the country you are in. On average, a dental crown in Europe can cost anywhere from A500 to A1000. This price can be even higher in countries like Switzerland, where the average cost of a dental crown can range from A1000 to A1500. One of the main factors that contribute to the high cost of dental crowns in Europe is the quality of materials used. European countries often use high-quality materials for dental crowns, which can drive up the cost. Another factor that can affect the cost of dental crowns in Europe is the level of expertise of the dentist. Dentists in Europe are highly trained and often charge higher fees for their services, which can also contribute to the overall cost of the treatment. Turkey, a more affordable option. On the other hand, Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism, thanks to its affordable dental treatments. In Turkey, the cost of dental crowns is significantly lower compared to Europe. On average, a dental crown in Turkey can cost anywhere from A200 to A500, making it a much more affordable option for those looking to get quality dental treatment at a lower cost. One of the main reasons why dental treatments are more affordable in Turkey is the lower cost of living and labor in the country. This allows dental clinics in Turkey to offer competitive prices without compromising on the quality of materials or expertise of the dentists. Furthermore, Turkey has a booming medical tourism industry, with many dental clinics catering to international patients. This competition among dental clinics has also helped drive down the cost of dental treatments in the country, making it a more attractive option for those looking to save money on dental care. Choosing between Europe and Turkey for dental crowns. When it comes to choosing between Europe and Turkey for dental crowns, there are several factors to consider. If you value high-quality materials and expertise and are willing to pay a higher price for your dental crown, Europe may be the better option for you. On the other hand, if you are looking for a more affordable option without compromising on quality, Turkey could be the ideal choice for your dental crown treatment. With lower prices, excellent quality of care, and the opportunity to explore a beautiful country, getting a dental crown in Turkey can be a rewarding experience for those looking to save money on dental treatments. In conclusion, while Europe may offer high-quality materials and expertise for dental crowns, Turkey stands out as a more affordable option for those looking to get quality dental treatments at a lower cost. Whether you choose Europe or Turkey for your dental crown, make sure to do thorough research and consult with your dentist to determine the best option for your oral health needs.